Hey guys, welcome back. We're outside working on the trailer again. I have a previous video, which I'll link up here, where I replaced all of the wiring on the trailer, and it worked out great for a while. But the problem is that we got attacked by rodents again, whether it was chipmunks or field mice or something, but they started to eat through the wiring. I tried to replace the ground wiring because that's what was chewed through, thinking that was the only problem. But once I got that replaced and everything hooked up again, it still wouldn't work. So I'm going to replace it, and I've got a new option for you, and that's going to be a magnetic and removable signal system that will go onto the back of the trailer. So I'm going to remove all of the lights and everything off of it, all the wiring. I'm going to do a new wiring for it. I'm going to show you how to make it detachable so you can take it off and put it on with winter or when I store the trailer. I ended up having to replace the white wire and run it through here for the grounding. I ran through the base and attached it right here. Gave it a second shot and it didn't work. So my guessing is there's more fraying or it's on the inside of the tube here. Don't feel it. All right, guys, that is it. It's all set up. Now, I'm not saying this is the best option. I'm just saying that this is the best option for me right now because of the rodent problem I'm having, getting in and chewing up my wiring. Now that I can remove it when it's not in use and store it in the garage, it keeps it safer, and hopefully I'll be able to use it for more than one season like I did this last time. But the overall better option would be to rewire the entire system. Now, you're looking at a difference of $50 versus $18. And yes, this is cheaper. Yes, it works, but overall, I would rather rewire the system and not have a rodent problem. But this is going to work, and it's going to work really well for the time being. If you have any questions or comments about the setup or what I use, I'll leave it in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.